Hi, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders. This video is just quite quickly to show you what the Pemko number K420 kit looks like. The K420 kit is literally nothing other than the screw pack for a 420 automatic door bottom. The 420 series, different inserts, but they're always going to be a mill finish, different lengths naturally. And the reason they're all mill is because the 420 is the style of automatic door bottom that is intended for installation into the bottom inverted channel of a hollow metal door, is where you would see a 420 used exclusively, or any door that has an inverted bottom channel. But stainless, sure, bronze, I'm not really positive the construction details of what a bronze door would look like, but commercial hollow metal would have an inverted bottom channel as standard. Screw pack is going to include all of the fasteners to attach the bottom of the automatic door bottom to the door channel on the bottom. These fasteners appear to be a number 6, 6 by 5/8, typical panhead screws. Then you're going to get this, I would say a number 10 flat undercut head screw. That's intended to be mounted onto the jamb so that when the drop bolt, or the plunger so to speak, coming out of the edge of the hinge side of the door makes contact with the frame, that is intended to hit the head of the bolt so that you don't create a divot over time. Now, I don't really know if people are going to install this onto a frame when it's already made of steel. I guess what I'm referring to is, would you drill a hole through steel to replace it with steel? So this is obviously going to be used really in a wood frame, or maybe a fiberglass frame would be where you would use this. So you could literally install this, not that it would be appropriate for the application or the example I'm about to give, but if you had a non-ferrous environment where you literally had a fiberglass frame and a stainless door, that combination's not unheard of. I've certainly sold that in the past. You'd want to emulate this concept with a fastener into the jamb so that the plunger head hits that. Now, generally what's happened is I see manufacturers supply small little nylon tips that fit into the plunger so that they're not only less offensive or corrosive to making constant contact with the jamb, but they do, in my opinion, lend themselves to be slightly less loud on some sort of a scale. But anyway, this is just simply the screw package. When you buy a 420, whatever insert or whatever length, you're going to get screws, and they're going to look just like this. A screw package that will look like this. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Pemko? This is their part number K420, which is a fastener kit for their 420 series automatic door bottoms, or any other Pemko product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.